Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Hi, Sarah. Good morning.
Good morning, Ali. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm great. I'm excited for school today.
Me too. Do you know what subject we have first?
Yes, we have English.
Oh, nice. I like English. I love reading stories.
Same here. I enjoy learning new words.
Wow, you have a new pencil case.
Yes, my mom bought it for me yesterday. Do you like it?
Yes, it's very colorful. What's inside?
I have pencils, an eraser, sharpener, and crayons.
Oh, you have crayons? Can I borrow them later?
Of course, we can share during drawing time.
Do you like animals, Sarah?
Yes, I love animals. My favorite is the elephant.
Elephants are huge and strong. I like lions more.
Lions are brave, but giraffes are funny with their long necks.
True, and monkeys love bananas.
Ha ha! Just like you, Ollie. You love bananas too.
Playground time.
Let's play on the swings.
Sure, I will push you first.
Okay, but not too high.
Don't worry, I will be careful.
Whee! This is so much fun.
Now it's my turn.
All right, hold tight. I'll push you now.
Yay! I feel like I'm flying.
Do you want to play football after this?
Yes, I love football. You can be in my team.
Okay, but I don't run very fast.
That's fine. We can still play together.
At home. Ollie visits Sarah's house.
Hi, Ollie. Welcome to my home.
Hello, Sarah. Thank you for inviting me.
Come inside. Would you like some juice?
Yes, please. I love mango juice.
Perfect. I have mango juice. Ollie, should we read a story first or play?
Let's read a story first. Then we can play without worry.
Good idea. I have a storybook about animals.
Wow, I love animal stories. Let's read it together.
This story is about a clever rabbit.
Oh, I know this story. The rabbit tricks a lion, right?
Yes, the rabbit was very smart.
I like stories where animals talk. They are so funny.
Story time done. Now we can play.
What game should we play?
Let's play board games. Do you like Ludo?
Yes, I love Ludo. Let's set it up.
They start playing Ludo.
I got a 6. I can move my token out.
Oh no, you're lucky.
Haha, maybe today is my lucky day.
Don't worry, I will catch up soon.
After some time,
Yay! I sent your token back to start.
Oh no, now I have to begin again.
See, I told you, I'm catching up.
This game is so much fun.
Ollie, do you want to draw something?
Yes, let's draw animals.
Okay, I will draw a cat.
And I'll draw a dog.
Look, my cat has a pink bow.
And my dog has big ears.
Your drawing is so funny.
Haha, and yours is so cute.
Ollie, thank you for coming today. I had so much fun.
Me too, Sarah. Let's play again tomorrow.
Sure, next time we can play outside too.
Okay, maybe we can ride bikes or play cricket.
Oh yes, I love riding my bike.
Great, I'll bring my ball as well.
Then we'll have lots of games to play.
Haha, we'll be so busy having fun.
Don't forget to bring some crayons too. We can draw outside.
That's a good idea. We can sit under the tree and draw.
Perfect. I can't wait for tomorrow.
Same here, Sarah. See you soon.
Bye, Ollie.
Bye, Sarah.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.